You cannot say you are a luxury person when you are buying fake products. That's not really luxury.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel where we will enjoy to interact and learn from each other. Our channel is all about lifestyle, traveling, cooking, shopping and many other things that involve our daily life. Let's rock this together by subscribing, commenting so that I can learn from you guys. Cheers!
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited guys to show you something. Yes, you can see the orange color. Yes guys, as I said earlier in my last video, we are in Rome. We are enjoying Rome guys, and I said in the last video that I'm not shopping a lot. Yes, I'm not shopping because this was supposed to be bought in March this year and we couldn't buy in March because it was kind of like sold out in this moment. So I was like, okay, I'll buy it next time. So guys, cheers. I'm drinking wine, always it's a wine thing. Okay guys, I'm going to show you something here and we are going to open together. Are you excited guys? I am excited to open what is in here. So guys, we are going to start and let me show you. So guys, let's open here. Let me try to do like this, So this is, let me say also what happened. When we came here, I wanted really to buy like as soon as possible, but it was not possible. Actually, too many line, when you go there, there's always line, long line, Actually, buying in summer is not really nice in Rome. So there was always line, and last week actually we went also last week on Thursday and we couldn't buy because there was line, and I said okay, let's just go, we'll buy next time. And then you know what happened? This is what happened on Tuesday. Actually, I went to pick up my son's book, music book. So when I went to pick up my son's book, I was like, I'm near where Hermès store is, so let me just go pass through by, and if they have, I'm going to buy. So I went there, and let me hope guys you're seeing. So I went there and I saw them kind of like there was no line, and I was like, oh damn, let me go inside. So, and the security man was kind of like opening for me, and yeah. So when the security man was opening for me, then I had to go inside, and then two ladies were like, oh, we don't have what you're looking, because I asked them actually. So they were like, oh, what you're looking for is sold out, but you can go up and look something, So I was like, where is up? And they were like, oh, up is there. So I went up, and then let me drink. We are doing this. I want to explain. So then I waited like for 5 minutes, and then the lady came. I told her, and then she was like, oh, let me check. She went to check, and she came back. Guys, she came back with this. Guys, she came back with this. So she came back, she thought, because I told my size, and she came back, I was like, oh my goodness. With, I was, sometimes when I'm going to buy things from this shop, I have to look nice, do a little bit of makeup, lipstick, done my hair, you know how it is. But then guys, I went there because my initial thing was, like what I was supposed to take things, the book, music books for my kids. But then I went there, just what was looking nice for me. It was like this tiny mini Louis Vuitton bag and Burberry bag also. I had these mini tiny ones. Yeah, and what else? Nothing else. So I went there and guys, I bought this. I was just excited. I was happy. Seeing now like a lot of people, they put on makeup and then they see you no makeup, but you're carrying something from Hermès. Oh my goodness, guys. Here. So here we have this. Yes, guys, so I have now two collections of Oran, the classic one, the brown one, and this one. I think I'm done with when it comes to Oran. Planning for something else maybe. I love white and also the brown one because both of them you can wear, whatever you want and like this. But the other colors, they are not for me actually. So I've decided to only have 2 pairs of Oran sandals and I'm okay. Yes, guys, so this was initially something I wanted to buy in March, but then I'm buying this in October and a little bit cheaper because in Swiss francs, this could that mean like something like 600 Swiss francs, but I bought 510 in that's euros. So now euros is doing even bad. I'm telling you, I've saved a little bit more. Though I made another mistake where I couldn't claim for tax refund. Actually, I could have done that, but I didn't do that because I forgot, because I thought like maybe we might not go back to Switzerland like in December, or my husband might not go back to Switzerland in December or November. So I could have done actually the tax refund. So tax refund is something you can get from this. The tax refund is about 91 euros actually, guys. So these are all receipts. So guys, I don't want to waste much of your time. This is what I bought and we had to open together. These guys. So guys, remember guys, don't invest in cheap products. Be authentic, all the time. You're going to love more of authentic things, guys. So make sure when you are trying to become a luxury person, make sure you are always buying authentic things. You cannot say you are a luxury person when you are buying fake products. That's not really luxury, and sometimes I advise people to buy branded things, because you can have like a very good shoes from Rome, Italy, not really from Rome, Italy, but from Italy, made in Italy. These Gucci, I have like not Gucci, I have shoes from here, and they are so great. They are Nani branded, so because it's leather, and you need also something like a handbag, just leather, and you need, if it's something like clothes, I would advise go for something like cotton, viscose, silk, and all these things, instead of like carrying not non-branded, instead of carrying fake, please don't fall for fake products, guys. So be authentic. So guys, in this moment I'm going to say cheers. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my new Hermès collection and all these. I think I'm going to wear them very soon. I know it's autumn, but it's kind of like really warm here, even if it's autumn. So guys, bye bye.